Hi everyone and welcome to Story Time. Today's adventure is about a very lost sock and a brand new friend, so get comfy and cozy and let's dive in. Once upon a time, in a house filled with laughter and socks, lots and lots of socks, lived a little sock named Stripey. Stripey was no ordinary sock. He had bright blue stripes and a big fluffy smile stitched right on his toe. One sunny morning, Stripey was happily tumbling in the dryer with his friends, all the other socks. They were giggling and bouncing as the warm air swirled around them. But suddenly, the dryer stopped with a whoosh. Stripey peeked out the door and gasped. He was all alone. His friends were nowhere to be seen. Poor Stripey. He felt lost and scared. He didn't know where he was or how to get back to his friends. He hopped off the dryer and started exploring the laundry room. He looked under the washing machine, behind the laundry basket, but his friends were nowhere to be found. Tears welled up in Stripey's little stitched eyes. Just then, a deep, rumbling voice boomed from behind him. "Hello there, little one." What seems to be the trouble? Stripey turned around and saw a giant, round object with a friendly face drawn on it. It was the washing machine. I'm lost," Stripey stammered, wiping away his tears. "I can't find my friends," the washing machine chuckled. "Don't worry, little sock. I see lost socks all the time. I can help you find your way back." The washing machine gently scooped Stripey up and placed him on a ledge. He then swirled around the room, scanning the floor with a gentle whoosh. Finally, the washing machine stopped with a happy hum. "There you go," he boomed, pointing to a pile of clothes beside a basket. Stripey peeked over and saw his friends, all folded neatly beside the basket. He jumped for joy and rolled over to them. Stripey and his friends snuggled together, relieved to be reunited. They thanked the kind washing machine for his help. From that day on, Stripey and the washing machine became the best of friends. Whenever Stripey felt lost or scared, he knew he could always count on his new friend for help. And that, my friends, is the story of the very lost sock and the friendly dryer. Remember, even when you feel lost, there's always someone who cares and wants to help. Until next time, happy adventuring.